Yeah, like I said, I'm going to the K-tuned adapter, which is this right here. Focus. Which is this right here, where see how the pipe thread's straight all the way down to the base, and then you've got this jam nut too that'll lock it in, and it's gonna hold the extra weight. That was one of the reasons I got the K-tuned one. The main reason was I'm running multiple things off this oil pressure feed. So you've got the hole for the factory oil pressure sender, then I needed a feed for my turbo, and for my aftermarket sending unit for oil pressure. So I mean, it's nice construction. Hold on, just take that off, see if I can get it to focus. There we go. So yeah, I mean, you got the port there for the factory sending unit, then you've got 3 additional ports, and it comes with plugs too. I mean, it's good construction, came with O-rings. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be switching up to, if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. So let me go ahead and put this in and show you what it looks like when it's done. So just wanted to show you what I'm talking about here. This is the adapter from Makspeed, and you see how it's kind of a cone, a slight taper to it. Like if you were to run that down to the base, you'll probably end up cracking the head. You know what I mean? Then we have the K-tuned one, which is pretty much the same shape all the way down, so you can run this to the base. I don't think it's gonna go all the way to the base, but if you were to, you could run it there. And then you got this jam nut, if it doesn't go all the way down, to lock it in. And as you can see, there's a spot for an O-ring as well, so it's double sealed. Like, there's, if it'll go into focus, there's an O-ring right here, and then the jam nut goes on, and then right there you have another spot for another O-ring to press against the head. Also, as you can see, you only get the one opening for the feed line, so if you were gonna add an oil pressure sensor, you pretty much have to get a different adapter regardless. Now this one was leaking again, and I thought maybe I cracked the head or I over tightened it and cracked the head, whatever, but it ended up, I guess the stress from, not even the stress, probably just the vibration from the motor and the solid mounts, and then the tension where the oil feed line's going in, it kind of worked itself out because I barely put any pressure on it and it started spinning, so it was starting to back itself out is what happened. So I mean, I love the Makspeed kit. It's a good all-around kit for a starting turbo setup, but this adapter, no thanks. Like, save yourself the headache, get the K-tuned one. This is the one you want, right here. That one.
A few moments later.
Okay, here's the finished product. So we've got factory oil pressure sensor, feed line for the turbo, oil pressure sensor for my autometer gauge. But you see how much more nicely that sits in there? You know, yeah, I like it.